Hi, I'm Paul at Cumbria Computer Repairs. Today I'm going to show you what to do if you open a program and it's half on and half off the screen. As you can see when I open Google Chrome here, it is half on and half off the screen. There are 3 ways to fix this, all very easy. First, if you move your mouse to the top bar, where my mouse is, the grey bar along the bar which is normally grey along the top. Right click on it and left click on maximize. That will restore it to full screen. Another way to do it is go to the grey bar at the top, as you can see with my demonstration, and double click on the grey bar. An alternative way to do it is locate the Windows key on the keyboard, which is normally in the bottom left and is 4 squares together, and find the arrow key pointing up. Press both of these together and it will maximize the screen. This works in most programs.